Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Sony TV a blinking red light multiple times and how you can fix it. So this video is solution for all Sony Bravia smart Android, whether it's a LCD, LED or a normal Bravia TV. Now solution to this here, I have mentioned some of this information, so make sure you pause the video and you can just look for it. So the red blinking two times problem on the Sony Bravia TV is an error signal by the blinking signal, right? Now to fix this up, any model of Sony Bravia LCD TV red a light blinking two times problem occurs for several reasons. If your TV is not a, if you're not a TV technician and the TV power supply is external, you can collect an AC adapter from the same TV and connect it to your TV to see if it two times blinking problem is resolved. If the problem persists, consult a qualified technician. So the solution is very easy. Unplug and wait. First, unplug the TV from the power source and wait for about a minute, and this will allow you any residual power to dissipate and might reset some internal components. Measure with a meter whether the required voltage is proper output for the TV AC adapter or SMPS circuit. Turn off the TV, then hold the red probe of the voltmeter to the main positive supply output terminal, then switch on the TV, keep an eye on the meter screen and see if the voltage drops during the TV starting time. And here I mentioned some of the more solution, so you can just read it, right? And if you just see any problem how you can repair the Sony Bravia TV red light that blinks two times, so also have mentioned it, but I will advise you that you go with the technician if all these methods doesn't work. So this is it guys, and this is an image which can might help you. So this is it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.